Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Please, may you introduce yourself, ma'am?
My name is Chief Mrs. Bella Johnson Osagu. I am the Ndigbo of Lagos State, Ndigbo of Igbo land, Okwesezemaya of Kwajo land, Miss World Culture 2013.
Why are we here today, ma'am?
We are here to say goodbye to our great king, Eze Ohazirike, the Ndigbo of Lagos State.
We understand you work so closely with the late Eze. Is it true, ma'am?
He's just like a father to me.
Okay.
In fact, I called him the mightiest of almighties because he's a great king. He's the king of kings. This man, he cannot see somebody suffering. He must take care of that. He give palliative, he take care of the widows, he take care of the less privileged, he take care of the aged. He's a good man. He's a good man. He left a very good legacy behind.
So one will conclusively say that you are pained over the death of this man.
I'm very, very pained. Now, when you are hearing Ndigbo of Lagos State, you can't hear Ndigbo of Lagos State again. That is rhyme again. I'm very, very pained. I'm very, very pained. I'm very, very pained. The last time I was with him, I called him, opened his eyes, he couldn't recognize him again. Since that time, I said, my father has left me. So I'm very, very pained. Very, very pained. I don't think God that I can close that vacuum.
Our condolences to the whole family, to you and to the whole family.
Thank you.
Your name again, ma'am, for record
purposes. My name is Chief Mrs. Bella Johnson Osagu, the Ndigbo of Lagos State.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, sir.